issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Pleasant, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Winthrop Harbor, Bristol, Paris, Somers, and Elmwood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's Weather Radio. KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring.